Hey everyone, welcome to Bird Pickup and Delivery. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can add date and time details to your order confirmation emails. Let's get started. All right, first things first, we're going to head over to the Bird settings and then jump into the Notifications submenu. Once we're in Notifications, we'll scroll down until we find the Shopify admin section. Now, we'll click on Edit Order Confirmation Email, and this is going to open up a brand new tab with the Order Confirmation Email template in Shopify Admin. From there, let's hit that preview button. Check it out. This is the preview for the template, and this is exactly how your email is going to look. Here you can place the date and time details anywhere you want in the template. For this example, we're going to place the date-time details right above the order summary section. To navigate to that specific section, we'll copy the header of the section and then close the template. Next up, we'll jump into the code editor and search for that header. Once we've located the section, we're going to paste the code right above the order summary. Awesome! Now let's head over to the help desk article and grab the entire code. Then we'll come back to the code editor, paste it in, and hit save. All right, let's check out one of our example orders. This is what the template looked like before we added the date and time details. And this is how it looks after the addition. Now, for pickup orders, we can make this even better by changing the generic shipping text to pickup specific text. Let's go back to our help desk article, scroll down just a bit to find this section, and we'll copy this code. Then, we'll replace this line and hit save. Fantastic! Quick note, these line numbers might be different for you, so don't worry about memorizing them. Let's head back to one of our pickup orders and see how it looks now. There we go. We can see that the pickup text we just updated. Looking great. And that's it. I really hope this was super easy to follow along with. If you want to dive deeper and read more about this, you can absolutely do so from our help desk at help.birdchime.com. And hey, if you run into any problems at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@birdchime.com or through our chat. We're here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Have an absolutely great day.